All right, everyone, we have made it. Door number 24 of the Mechanical Keyboard Switch Advent Calendar. One short every single day here in December up until Christmas. Let's see what is inside. My wireless keyboard isn't working. I guess I need to repair it. Get it? Repair. Wireless. Got to repair. All right, we got something special here today. Gateron Ink Blue V2. It's a clicky switch of all things. 75 gram spring. And it's PCB mounted. But not only that, so this is pretty special. We got a little keychain with a keycap that says "Let's Go." And here's that pretty ink blue color of this Gateron switch. That was louder than I was expecting. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.